Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop whatever you are doing because this modern Tudor kitchen is insane. It's giving moody luxury, but in the most organic, chill way possible. It completely redefines the whole dark kitchen idea, you know? They went bold with these dramatic, almost black, floor-to-ceiling cabinets and paired them with this incredible honed black marble countertop. It is perfection. The secret sauce is the light. The ceilings are like a gorgeous 9 feet 6 inches high. And look at those massive black framed windows. They perfectly frame the green outside, so even with all the dark surfaces, the room feels totally airy. It's a genius balance, honestly. And the island? Oh my God, it's a full 10 feet long. That is not just a food prep area. That is a party venue. You could host the whole neighborhood on that island. Usually, dark kitchens feel cramped, right? But because they kept the walls bright white and used that stunning light oak flooring, everything feels expansive, luxe, and totally high-end. That custom black range hood over the stove, it's a masterpiece. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?